Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a backup so you can restore if needed. This protects your data. Next, boot into Advanced Startup from Settings or hold Shift while selecting Restart. Once there, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. This is how you access repair tools. Make sure you have a Windows Install USB available. If your system is corrupted, you'll need it to run command line repairs or reinstall without losing configuration when possible. Once in command prompt, you'll run boot repair, then file integrity checks. That sequence fixes most boot errors. First run bootcheck commands /fixember, /fixboot, /scanos, and /rebuild to restore boot configuration. Then run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. If SFC reports issues, follow with chkdsk/f/r to repair disk errors. Make sure to reboot between major steps to test results, and note any error messages for the final troubleshooting step. After repairs, run startup repair and attempt a safe mode boot to verify stability. Safe mode isolates drivers. If problems persist, reset this PC with Keep My Files or perform a clean install from your USB as a last resort. Make sure to document any error codes you saw. If errors continue, test RAM with memtest and run manufacturer diagnostics on the drive. These hardware checks solve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.